The next day, everyone. Just need to check something. I want lady sweater. I want to buy yan because this time is so cold outside. Need to clothes that is very thick. Jacket that is a lady jacket. Medium, is big. It is the medium, but it's medium. I like this how much? 85. Kasi lang Makati sa Makati sa katawan. Gusto ko yung nakapal na sweater na mainit ang tela. Ang hair in lulu. Ay, lulu. Ayun daan. LED jacket. Super girl. Parang ganito sana. Pero hindi. Ganitong style na 89. Ito pang girl, pang babae. XL 80 plus. May bibilhin ba ang iba? Yung mas mura na baba. XL. Ito sana maganda ang tela. Mainit sa katawan. Kasi lang mahal mo. Yung handle. Too expensive. But nice nice style. Gusto mo pang malamig ka. Hindi talagang for gastos. Ito sana kaso lang ba't ang liit is mo? I need something big. See, I like this but small. There's no big. My size now it's big. They have only small. They don't have another size. No other size. I want a big one. My size is not that one. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion how to improve my content, and of course don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much. Happy weekend, enjoy it, and everyone. Bye.